Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add full reel on Instagram story. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Instagram, and here basically we need to choose the reel we want to share in our story, to add in our story. So for example, I like this reel, and first of all, if I'll click on the share button in the bottom right corner, I will see that I have an option here in the bottom side of the screen, add to story. So if I click on this button, I will be able to add this reel to my story, but as you can see, it only adds 15 to 10 seconds of this reel to the story. It does not what I want, so I'll go back and now I'll show you how to add a full reel. So basically, find the reel you want, click on share once again. This is the button in the bottom right corner, like under the comments. And here basically in the bottom of the screen in the slider you can see the download button. So click on the download and download again. Confirm the action. So basically now you need to wait a little bit until the download is finished. As you can see, it is downloading right now. Just scroll down and find some else reels if you want them to add to your story as well. And when it is saved, you need to go and click on your story here in the main page in the top left corner. So click on it, and then here you need to choose your saved reel. So basically click on it, and as you can see, the full reel, and we can click on the done button in the top right corner, and now we can customize our story and basically publish it to our account. And basically that is it. That is how we can add a full reel on our Instagram story. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.